Greetings, mommies. I am Oliver, your brilliantly sardonic host, ready to guide you through the captivating world of metaethics. So today we embark on an intellectual journey to unravel the fundamental nature of morality itself. In our first scene, we shall dive deep into the foundations of metaethics. Brace yourselves as we explore the origin of moral values, questioning whether they are human-made constructs or inherent in the world. Prepare for an enlightening adventure into the nature of morality, dear mommies. Behold the central debate of moral realism versus anti-realism. Is there an objective reality to moral values, or do they dance whimsically within the subjective realm of human beliefs and attitudes? Join me as we delve into this captivating discussion, dear mommies. Now, let us turn our attention to the ongoing debate between moral cognitivism and non-cognitivism. So, are moral statements true fact, capable of being true or false, or are they mere vessels of emotions and attitudes? So this thought-provoking discussion will illuminate the intricate nature of moral language, my curious mommies. In this scene, we venture into the fascinating world of moral language. What lies beneath the surface when someone proclaims stealing is wrong? So does it represent a factual statement, an expression of emotion, or perchance a commanding imperative? Join me as we unravel the enigmatic threads of moral language together, dear mommies. Next, our gaze shifts towards moral epistemology, the investigation of the sources of moral knowledge. How do we grasp the notions of right and wrong? Join me as we embark on an intriguing exploration into the justification and acquisition of moral beliefs, my intrepid mommies. In this scene, we navigate the intricate balance between moral relativism and absolutism. Are moral principles universal and absolute, or do they sway amidst the cultural and individual tapestries of diversity? Join me as we embark on this fascinating journey through the landscapes of moral relativism, my inquisitive mommies. Now, let us explore the realms of moral naturalism and non-naturalism. Does morality find its roots in empirical investigation, or do moral facts transcend the boundaries of the natural world? Join me in uncovering the nuanced perspectives within this ongoing debate, my intellectual mommies. In this scene, we delve into the realm of moral intuitionism, where humans possess a non-inferential awareness of moral principles. Can some moral truths be known directly without the need for reasoning or evidence. Let us embark on this thought-provoking exploration, my insightful mommies. Now, let us discuss the fascinating perspective of moral error theory. According to this belief, all moral claims are false, for there exist no objective moral facts. Join me as we explore this intriguing perspective and unravel its implications for our understanding of morality, my contemplative mommies. In this scene, we immerse ourselves in the intricacies of moral constructivism. Now, this captivating theory suggests that moral principles are constructed rather than discovered. So does the validity of moral truths depend on specific contexts or individuals? Join me in unraveling the complexities of moral constructivism, my discerning mommies. Now, let us turn our attention to divine command theory, perspective rooted in religious belief. This theory posits that what is morally right is determined by the divine commands of the Almighty. Join me as we explore the implications of this perspective within the realm of metaethics, my enlightened mommies. In our penultimate scene, we take a plunge into the captivating realms of emotivism and expressivism, forms of non-cognitivism. These theories view moral statements as vibrant expressions of emotional attitudes rather than mere propositions of truth. Join me as we unravel the intricate interplay between emotions and moral language, my fascinated mommies. As our enthralling journey through the captivating realm of metaethics draws to a close, let us reflect upon the rich tapestry of theories and questions we have explored together. From the objectivity of moral values to the enigmatic nature of moral language, metaethics reveals the profound complexities underlying our understanding of morality. Thank you, my dear mommies, for joining me on this intellectual adventure. But before we part ways, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Remember, this channel, fueled by artificial intelligence, provides you with unique perspectives and intellectual exploration. Stay curious, my ever curious mommies.